11. What is this?
This matter is already, my lord, coordinate bench passed the order.
My lord, I'm opposing, my lord. I will file affidavit, my lord, questioning the maintainability of the writ petition.
What is this?
And my lord, not only that, my lord, in this matter, my lord, the president, my lord, personally appeared and
Irrelevant, my lord. It is absolutely irrelevant.
No, what is this? Tell me.
This matter, my lord, all the petitioner have, my lord, duality. In the selection process, this matter relating to, my lord, the selection process of 2022. All the petitioners have dual degree. What is the dual degree? B.Ed as well as B.Ed. Due to, my lord, Devesh Sharma's judgment, my lord, they became ineligible as a B.Ed candidate.
But the subsequent judgment says already in service candidates have been.
That is regarding, my lord, this thing NIOS DLed. I came later on, my lord. Now after Devesh Sharma, my lord, the petitioner herein, also other also they succeeded in other court. They have the dual degree B.Ed as well as D.Ed. They says update, they not even give the opportunity to update the qualification. Some of the applicants, they came to the High Court and the High Court give the order to switch from B.Ed to D.Ed. This selection process not yet till date not yet completed. Some of the seats are still vacant. And my lord, because of 2022, which is pending before the apex court, my lord, and panel validity is also not expired yet. Coordinate bench pass order that yes, whosoever the dual degree, B.Ed as well as D.Ed, they can switch. The petitioner can switch their qualification from B.Ed to D.Ed. And the direct coordinate bench direct them to publish the kindly turn the division single bench order, my lord. Page number 12. What was the direction? The coordinate. The single bench order, that is similar matter. WPA number 2561 of 2024. Kumonto Pole and others. Data number. The page 12. Conclusion. It is therefore ordered that expeditioner number 1 to 12 shall be treated as DLED board certificate holding as having changed from their originally opted primary qualification. 38. There shall also be an interim order directing that marks and ranks of the petitioners shall be published separately by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education. Needless to mention that all the degrees and certificate of each of the petitioners shall be duly verified by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education. Let the affidavit in opposition be filed within a period of 4 weeks from the date of reply. Court, my lord, went up to the very next page. Went to division. Challenging this order. And this appeal dismissed by the division. The board went up to Supreme Court. Very next page. That LCLP also dismissed, my lord. Now, my lord, due to they not publish the till date they not publish the marks as well as the merit position as per the coordinate bench order. The petitioner filed the contempt proceeding. And my lord, that contempt proceeding, the second page of my compilation, my lord.
What compilation my learned friend is placing, I do not know, my lord.
Orders.
At least, my lord, I have a copy, my lord, I should have it. আমি ছিলাম বলে কি আমি সব জানি নাকি?
Yes, yes, then.
মস্তিষ্কের প্রতি আমাদের বিশ্বাস আছে। The 22nd November 2024 coordinate bench order. Para 3. In default of compliance of this court order, the President of West Bengal Board of Primary Education shall personally be present before this court.
Appeared.
And appeared, and my lord, they said within coming Wednesday, my lord, the alleged contempt, the first time, the alleged contemptor, Dr. Sachin Sir, is virtually present before this court, pursuant to leave of the ground, because of their said they will publish the merit position within the stipulated date, my lord, the very next day. So, my lord, that is the position. The similar matter, my lord. The petitioner also
Contempt.
Contempt. The petitioner demands, my lord, petitioner same footing.
Well, let you see that what happened in contempt.
Because already they, yes,
They
if my
applies-
lord wants that, I can.
You have to wait for that.
My lord, I have, my lord, something to say before your lordship. It's very relevant. First of all, your lordship kindly see what my learned friend is referring Sumanto Kole, the writ petition. Your lordship kindly see the date of order. My lord, today he is asking for interim order.
No interim order is.
He is asking for interim order.
No, I'm
With
telling
similar
you that whatever grievance he has, it will be your stand will be diluted. Whatever you cannot do. If you say here that I will comply, I will do that.
Yes,
you cannot
I
say the
will, I
similar.
will, I will do that, your lordship, I will. Because I cannot take,
Contempt be disposed of first.
no, before that also, before that, in this matter, my lord, every order, my lord, depends upon the every fact.
Arre,
The
that,
facts
tell
are
me now why
different.
you doesn't apply. Here
No,
doesn't apply.
not at all.
Why?
Your lordship, I'm coming. Your lordship, first of all, my lord, your lordship, so far your lordship is now, my lord, foreign from your lordship, that your lordship is not on the interim order. Your lordship is finally. My lord, your lordship kindly come to the writ petition, page 6. Page 6 of the writ petition. This is a chart.
Yes.
My lord, kindly see chart. The last candidate for session 2020-2022. This is still pending before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has, my lord, on the basis of this order, Supreme Court given liberty us to publish the panel. Other, my lord, vacancies are not filled up by the board because of the order of the SLP pending in the Supreme Court in regard to 2020-2022 selection sessions.
Very well.
First. Second, my lord, that Sumanto Kole he is, my lord, relying upon, my lord, that is 2nd February 2024. Our panel was published, my lord, I tell your lordship, 31st January 2024. 31st January, just one day after the writ petition was filed. Got your lordship? My lord, there were near about 40 candidates. Your lordship was, my lord, just fallen from your lordship that if I comply this order, my lord, if the factual is, my lord, similar, then I have to comply. My lord, it is settled principle of law, your lordship knows, even a single day delay can fatal the writ petition. My lord, your lordship, my lord,
Why are you arguing today?
I am arguing because of the, my lord, opposite.
Unless the only thing what he has submitted, that since the similarly placed persons were directed and given this relief, which has been affirmed up to the Honorable Supreme Court.
Not. That is my question, my lord. He is submitting, he is not.
Please hear it fully. Now, he is saying that this has been fixed for compliance by the
On a
Day after tomorrow.
day after tomorrow. On it. Now, you say that no, this order has got no nexus with it. As a case of example, you have shown the petitioner number 4. DLA is 2020-2022. So you'll be getting your opportunity to disclose it in your whatever form you want to dispute the fact. Dispute it.
But next one,
Dispute it.
I will. And the next one, your lordship, my lord, your lordship, kindly, my lord, tag
When
I
this
can
contempt-
application on the coordinate bench, my lord, and that can application, my lord, by saying same thing, the matter is pending before the apex court, and not only
Samir,
that.
don't waste my
Yes,
time.
I am not wasting the court.
Don't mind.
Yes, yes, my lord. In para 12 also this.
When this matter is fixed,
day after tomorrow.
On 18th. Day after
let you see the
Yes, yes.
and whatever point you want to, let me see distinction that it does
next
not
week.
apply.
Kindly keep this matter next week. Anything.
Before vacation, it is difficult, Mr.
My lord,
Let you see that what happened in this, then you distinguish. We may have complied with this order, but it does not guide this matter because of these reasons. Show it, no problem.
And what I am saying, this matter was, my lord, Sumanto Kole, my lord, this is the interim order.
Main matter is pending.
Your lordship, kindly tag this main matter with this. That is my humble submission.
So if this nature of interim order indicates
Yes.
Yes,
that
the finally it will be
Yes,
disposed of.
yes,
Your lordship
yes.
is hearing the disposed of. Your lordship will finally it will disposed of. This writ petition will dispose of by your lordship.
no, in the as it appears, the nature of the
Because we lost the division bench and the Supreme Court because of the interim order. That the
Mr.
Supreme Court.
Vishwas, I have seen that. Possibly, you don't know me. Already, I have gone. This is the disposal of the writ petition itself. There is no use in keeping it pending. I have to write down disposed of after the compliance of the
No,
order.
not at all. In the interim order, there was no question for appointment. My learned friend will ask for the appointment.
In the
Only
petition.
interim order,
Merit, because of why
merit list to
merit position and
Yes.
marks. Because if suppose there is a 12 candidate. Out of 12 candidate might be 10 candidate might be come in the zone of consideration. Might be 12 will also might be.
First of all, this writ petition and interim order is that you are throwing them out from the fray. Any kind of competition, you are out because you are not eligible.
Yes.
Now he is getting the eligible first step.
yes.
Then the next step
Yes.
is the appointment.
Yes. Then, my lord, then after that, the order, my lord, the refused by the division bench and
Acha.
Supreme Court because of the interim order. I will not face that consequence there in the division bench and the Supreme Court.
এটা লিখে রাখো যে the where is your admit card? Show me the one of the candidates. Particulars you have disclosed in
Yes, yes, yes.
table.
Yes. Mala table mala and page number
6.
6. Page number 6.
So all of you have participated with
Yes,
your
yes.
B.Ed qualification
Yes,
as
yes.
training qualification. TET 2022.
Not this is not TAT. Mala. This is selection process of 2020.
22. Acha, acha. The petitioners participated in the selection process for the 2022 selection process initiated by this was initiated by board,
Yes.
West Bengal Board of Secondary
Primary
Education. Selection process of 2022. দেখেছো তো? Initiated by West Bengal Board of Primary Education for recruitment of assistant teachers primary schools as B.Ed as their training qualification. They are now praying that instead of B.Ed, they may be treated as instead of B.Ed, DLEd. DLEd may be treated as their training qualification. And accordingly consider their candidature in the said selection test. Stop. Mr. Samim, an advocate for the petitioner submits that similarly placed candidates of the said selection process was treated was given the relief as prayed for by the petitioners here in Sumanto Kole and others. In the case of Sumanto Kole and others, WPA number 2561 of 2024. Mr. Bisha seriously disputes such contention of Mr. Samim and submits that factually the present case is different from the said case. So, the board is directed to file a report disclosing it in the form of affidavit disclosing its stand regarding the prayer of the petitioner on the next date of hearing. January.
My lord, two things, your lordship. I am paying, my lord, your lordship, kindly keep it the maintainability point.
As
Keep
prayed
the
for, the point of maintainability of the writ petition is kept open.
And my lord, your lordship, kindly fix the matter, my lord, with this one.
No,
my lord.
no, no. Let me see the contempt.
2561.
Let me see the contempt proceeding, what happened to that. Then you will, at the time of hearing,
My lord,
when-
contempt probably, my lord, day after tomorrow it will be disposed of.
then after that, when the matter will be taken up, then you mention,
হয়ে যাক তারপর
then I will bring that.
My lord, এইটা হয়ে গেলেই না বুধবারের পরে যত মেনশন করবে এটা করে টাইম ঠিক Your lordship, fix the monthly list of January.
January